Alright, so then we get to this problem, and in this problem, they tell you that g and f are one-to-one functions, meaning that they are inverses of each other. And we know that g of 7 is 11, g of 6 is 7, and then it wants what f of 7 is. So now you have to remember the number one rule of inverses, which is if two equations are inverses of each other, the x of one equation becomes the y of the second equation, and the y of the first equation becomes the x of the second equation. You can flip them around. So, like, for example, over here, g of 6, this is the x of g, and this is the y of g. But for the f function, these would switch around. This one would become the y, and this one would become the x. And that's what we're going to use to solve this problem. Because over here, 7 is the y for the g, but it's going to be the x for the f. And over here is asking for when f of 7, which is the x value, is equal to question mark. So if 7 is x on the f function, then 6 is going to be the y of the f function. This bit of information is just there to trick you. You don't need to use this at all. It's just there to confuse you, basically, because you have 7 multiple different areas. But the answer